Let's take a look at number 19 on page 254. Now, as you've seen in the problem, we have a series of markup and markdowns, and it looks like a whole bunch of stuff going on with this problem. But this is one of those problems, if you just take it step by step, you'll be okay. And that's the way we're going to approach this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is we got to get a sales price. And the sales price is equal to the cost divided by 100% divided by the markup based on selling price. So that's the first thing we want to do. So now our cost given to us was $453.50. We want to divide that by 100%, and the markup based on selling price given to us was 35%. And so this is going to become $453.50 divided by 0.65. And we do the division, we get $697.69. That is the selling price that we're going to start with the series. Now, we had a markdown. So let's put markdown 1. And for the markdown, what we're going to do is that we're going to take the original price times 100% minus the markdown percentage. So as we do this problem, we're always going to work with the last cost. So we have $697.69. And we have a markdown percentage of 20%. So we have $697.69 times 0.8, and that's going to give us $558.15. Okay. So what we've done is that so far we've figured out original cost. Now we figured out what the cost is going to be to our customers after the first markdown. So now we have a markup. So markup 1 is equal to the original price times 100% plus your markup percentage. Now, the price here that we're going to use is based on the last price that we figured out for step 1 or after our first markdown. So this is going to be $558.15, 100% plus the markup percentage of 10%, easy for me to say. This becomes $558.15 times 1.10. And so our final cost after the first markup is $613.97. Okay, as you can see in the problem, we still got a little bit ways to go with this. So now we have another markdown. Markdown 2. So again, it's going to be the original price times 100% minus our markdown percentage. The original price we're going to use is the last price in the markup that we did. So it's going to be $613.97 times 100% minus the markdown percentage in this case, which is 15%. $613.97 times 0.85, and this is going to give us $521.87. Okay. We're not over yet. We got one more part to go. Now we got the final markdown, and I'm going to call this markdown 3. And again, it's the original price times 100% minus the markdown percentage. The original price comes back to the last price that we figured out, which in this case is $521.87. 100% minus the markdown percentage given to us is 10%. So this becomes $521.87 times 0.9. And so after all is said and done, after the markups, markdowns, original price, we have a final cost of $469.68.